The tribunals declared that the Waitangi Treaty is on trial and the government must protect Māori fishing.
Once the treaty was signed, although there was a reference to Māori fishing rights in the English version, regulations and rules started to be imposed.
This is a very calculated measure to alienate our people from those resources that they knew were of value and could be commodified.
You know, my auntie will tell a story about the turn of the century when the Crown was very intent on killing us physically, but we were all a bit bigger and badder than they counted on, and so they then set their sights on killing and extinguishing us virtually, socially, and through our language. And they did a pretty good job of doing that.
The erosion of Māori fishing rights has had a major impact on Māori. It has totally eroded the belief system that we practiced. No way would our tūpuna have signed Te Tiriti or Waitangi if they knew how badly we've been dealt to